Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix a Maytag top-load washer that won't start a cycle. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. First, check if the control lock is engaged. Check the control panel to see if the control lock light is on. If it is, disable it to make the control keys responsive. The steps to disable this feature vary by model. Refer to your user manual. Next, check if the lid is closed securely. Your washer is programmed only to run if the lid is completely locked. Open the lid and close it firmly. Check if the washer is filled properly. Check the control panel to see if it displays an LF or F8E1 error. If so, the appliance is taking extremely long to fill. To address the issue, assess the drain hose installation. Poor installation may cause simultaneous siphoning while filling. Ensure both inlet hoses are connected and the hot and cold supplies are turned on. And that's it. Fixing a Maytag top-load washer that won't start a cycle is that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.